Hey, what's up? Last week I tested a soundbar from TOPVISION company. Have you watched that video? If not, then the link is in description. I also have a mini projector from the same brand. To be honest, I don't know the name of this projector, because there is no model name on Amazon product page or user manual. So we will just call it TOPVISION Projector. The main features of this product are compact size, Wi-Fi support, 5500 lux brightness, and Full HD support. You can buy a new TOPVISION projector for only $90 on Amazon using $40 off coupon code. I will leave the link in the description under the video. Okay, we will do a full review of this projector in this video. But first, please subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. Thank you. As you can see, the box is very compact, so the projector itself is also small. Later, we will talk about dimensions of it. And there's also power cable, HDMI cable, AV cable, kickstand, and user manual inside the box. You know, I'm glad to see HDMI and AV cables in the package, because some of the more expensive projectors don't have them included. So a compact size is one of the main features of this projector. The dimensions are only 190 by 155 by 80 mm. The weight is 925 grams. You can even put a projector on the coffee table, because it doesn't take up much space. The body is made of white plastic. Despite the low price of projector, the build quality is very good. We can see a lens under the plastic cover, a receiver, and TOPVISION logo on the front panel. By the way, I like a solution of attaching the plastic cover to the rope, because I always lose it. On the back we can see a VGA port and the second I/O receiver for remote control. A power connector is located on the right side. 3.5mm audio jack, AV port, 2 USB port, TF memory card slot, and HDMI port are on the left side. You know, TOPVISION projector has even more connectors and ports than some other more expensive and bigger projectors I have tested before. I really like that. Finally, there is a control panel on the top of projector. The buttons are very small, but I don't think it is a problem, because you are likely to use a remote control more often. Talking about remote control, it has power on-off button, source, menu, navigation buttons, OK, return, volume up and down, as well as mute. The remote control is powered by two 3A batteries. OK, now let's turn a projector on and look at the settings menu. First, we can go to the movie, music, photo, and support sections. And then we can use USB, SD card, and other sources such as another USB, AV, PC RGB, SD card, HDMI, and smartphone connection. Later we will talk about how to connect a mobile device to projector. In the settings menu we have picture settings, which include picture mode, projection mode, color temperature, aspect ratio, and reduce display. There are also sound settings with equalizer mode and surround sound. In the time settings, we can set a time, off time, on time, sleep timer, and auto sleep. That's all. So TOPVISION projector doesn't have Android operating system, so you need to connect external device to watch videos or play games. The manufacturer says that you can connect TV stick, laptop, game console, or even smartphone. Let's try to connect a mobile device to projector. You know, I haven't found a way to connect a smartphone via Wi-Fi. It looks like TOPVISION projector doesn't support Wi-Fi. There is only a menu of connecting a smartphone via cable, but not Wi-Fi. However, if we go to Amazon product page, we can see that projector must support Wi-Fi, as well as smartphone connection via Wi-Fi. Also, in the user manual, there is only information about connecting a smartphone to projector via cable, but no mention of a wireless connection. You know, I don't like when sellers cheat. However, let's try to connect my iPhone to projector using USB cable. For that, you need to connect a cable to the smartphone and 5-watt USB port of projector. After that, click on Trust on the iPhone screen. That's all. As you can see, a wired connection really works. That's good. Okay, now I want to measure the noise level and volume level of a TOPVISION projector. You know, a projector doesn't make much noise. I didn't expect it to be noisy because of its compact size. However, it also has a very quiet speaker. The maximum volume is about 78 dB. It is very quiet, and overall quality of speaker is poor. Do you remember our video about TOPVISION soundbar? So it is better to use it together with this projector. Finally, let's talk about projection quality. Another trick of TOPVISION company is that it doesn't specify the native resolution of projector anywhere. I couldn't find any information about the native resolution on Amazon product page or user manual. We can only see that the TOPVISION projector supports Full HD. However, I think that native resolution is 720p. It is not bad, because the price of this projector is only $90. From a distance, the picture is clear enough, but up close, we can see individual pixels. That's not very good if you plan to use a projector in the office. The maximum brightness of TOPVISION projector is 5500 lux. The contrast ratio is 3000 to 1. Let's watch a few videos and then draw conclusions about projector overall.
Incidentally, this Spanish squad Such as we had a glow set for TV, sofa, table, curtains, or even a car interior. Fortunately, in 2020,
and with no color profiles or tone adjustment options available in settings, you can't do much.
Those sort of heavy style smartwatches used to get as a kid, well back in the day. Quite a chunky monkey, as you can see there, around 15 millimeters thick.
Design of this dash cam. First, the windshield mount is very simple. You cannot move it to change the angle. So, what I like about TOPVISION projector? First, I like a very affordable price. You can buy it for only $90 on Amazon. Another advantage of this product is compact size and build quality. Actually, it doesn't even look like an ultra-budget projector. Many different ports are available, so you can connect any device to projector, such as a TV stick or TV box, laptop, PC, game console, or even smartphone. Yes, you can connect Android or iOS smartphone to projector, but only through the cable. The manufacturer says that TOPVISION projector supports Wi-Fi, but I didn't find this function in it. Please pay attention to this. Overall, the image quality is not bad for projector under $100. What I don't like about TOPVISION projector is the lack of Wi-Fi, as I said before, and a very weak built-in speaker. I have no other complaints about this projector, considering the price of only $90. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.